I'm going to share with you how you can make $500 in a day or even more by just doing little work. And the best part of this process is that it is available worldwide, and the account with the website I'm going to be sharing with you is quite easy to set it up. Like, you don't really need to stress yourself about setting up the account. And the payment process too is quite easy. Like, you just get paid through PayPal. This website like allows you to set the amount you're going to be earning, like depending on the quality of the work you're going to be rendering. So this is why this website is quite easy and the best thing for you to use to like make money with the process I'm going to be sharing with you. So the only thing you need is just your account. If you set it up on the website, Google Translate, and the AI bot I'm going to be mentioning on this video. So stick around and let me show you how to do this. So the website is called Clear Voice. This is a place where companies come around to like get writers to write about their company, be it for the marketing purpose or for anything they may be needing a write-up for. So you can see there are a lot of companies here that actually work with them, and they get freelancers from all over the world to write for them. And I know you may be wondering, I am not a writer, how am I going to make money from this? Don't worry, because the method I'm going to share with you on this video is going to help you like create a content without you knowing how to write. So as you can see here, the type of content they write are usually articles or blog, ebooks or white papers, email copies, website and landing pages, infographics, ad copy, a lot of things. Like, these are the type of content they are looking for freelancers to help them out with. So if you're a freelancer and you have any of this skill, you can leverage on this opportunity and set up an account with them so that once there is a work available, you will be contacted and then you earn some money doing all these jobs. And this website is owned by Fiverr, like it's a Fiverr company, so you can be assured that it's 100% legit. So to get started as a freelancer, you go here where it says freelance for us, and then you're going to see when you work with Clear Voice, you write for top brands. So you see a lot of things. Here are the brands, like I mentioned earlier. Get hired for freelance jobs you love. So here is how it works. So easy client communication, like you secure a better job, you build your brand, strengthen your free CV portfolio, and use Clear Voice to help grow your business. So set your rates. This is where I told you that you decide your pay rates. Like, you have that liberty to decide how much you're going to be charging, and it depends on the quality of the work you're going to be delivering. Get paid via PayPal upon assignment approval. So once your work is approved, they pay you. And to get started, you click Start My CV here. And once you click there, it's going to bring up a page where you get to fill in your information about yourself, about your work experience, and everything that is more like you like filling a CV on the website. So once you're done, you're going to see that it is 100% done, and your account will be properly set up for assignments that will be assigned to you. So this is an example here of somebody that is one of the top writers here on the website. This is how the CV look, an expert finance writer with Connect with Readers. So this is how the setup is going to look like, so that once you finish setting up, you're going to see everything already set up. And once there is assignments available, you will be contacted to do the writing. Where the work lies on is how to get a content, like a good one that you can actually use to like present to them once you are given any assignment. So assuming you are given an assignment to write a blog about growing a business, I'm going to show you how you can actually do this without having to like stretch yourself thinking about the articles to write up or what to put together to be able to make up a write-up. So to start, you're going to go to Google Translate and type how to grow a business. And then you need to translate it to Spanish, and then once you've translated it, you copy it. Once you have copied that, you go back to Google and paste what you copied. So once you have pasted it on Google, you're going to see a lot of articles that are talking about how to grow a business. So now what you have to do is just to copy any one. Like, I usually pick one of the first or the second ones. And then once you have done that, you're going to copy the article. You're going to go back to Google Translate and paste it there. Now it has translated it. This is now a brand new article. Like, as you can see, Google does not recognize this in English language anywhere. It's just in Spanish. And now you just have to do a little bit of more work to like read through, do any editing, and remove anything that you think that does not fall in line with what you are having in mind to do as per growing a business or any topic you're going to be writing about. So once you have done that, you copy this. So in as much as this article has been translated to English and it is now a brand new article that Google does not recognize as a plagiarized or a copied article, but you to still be on the safe side, you're going to take it to this AI bot that is going to rewrite it for you to have your own original article that you're going to be submitting to this website. Before I continue with this process, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to this channel if you want to learn more ways to make money online. I really appreciate that. So once you have copied the article, you're going to paste it on this AI bot, spinbots.com, where it's going to rewrite it for you so that it becomes a brand new document and so that you'll be on a very safe side. So here you paste it, click basic spin. So now it has rewritten everything for us. And what you have to do is just read through, make sure that everything is in line, and make sure that there's no need to make any correction. Afterwards, you just copy it here and then you go back to that website and paste it. So now that we have gotten all our content, all you have to do is just to go back to that website where you got the assignment from and you paste it there. And once you have pasted it, once they approve your write-up, you're going to receive your payment immediately. So you don't really need to like stress yourself over anything. And you have to make sure that you have gone through, you can like copy the article to a notepad where you can like make sure that you have done the necessary corrections before you send it to the website. And once your article is approved and sent to their client, then you receive your payment. So like I mentioned earlier, you get to set the amount of money, like the rate at which you are going to be charging for your work, depending on the quality of the work you're doing and the type of assignment you're given to do. If you're given to do like an hard copy, you know that the price may be different from writing a blog post. So you have to like make sure you have all these things in mind. And if you keep getting jobs as often as possible and if you're delivering well on them, it means that you can potentially make like more than $500 in a day, depending on the frequency and the quality of the work you're giving out to them. So this website is another way to make money without like stressing yourself, and you can trust that the payment will be made. So if you're looking to make money fast, like you can't like go through this process that I just mentioned and you just want to be doing very simple tasks and be getting some money every day, you might want to check out this video where I mentioned some of the websites that you can start earning money, and then check the link on the description of that video. You can just click and go straight to the website and then start making money. And if you want to learn how Google is giving out free money to people, make sure to check out this video too. Please don't fail to like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one.